Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download SolidWorks eDrawings 2026, step by step. No cracks, no third-party websites, only 100% official and safe download from the SolidWorks official website. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for SolidWorks eDrawings 2026 official download, or directly, link in description. Always download eDrawings only from the official SolidWorks website to avoid fake or harmful installers. Step 2. Sign in or create free account. Now you'll be asked to sign in with your SolidWorks ID. If you don't have an account, simply create a free account using your email address. Step 3. Select eDrawings and download. On the website, scroll down to the free download section. Here you will see the option for eDrawings Viewer 2026. Click on the Download Now button to proceed. Select the correct version for your system, Windows 11, 64-bit. Then click on Download to start downloading the setup file. The setup file size is around 200 to 300 megabytes, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the setup file will be saved to your PC. That's it! You've successfully downloaded SolidWorks eDrawings 2026 safely from the official website. You can now open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.